Hey everyone, let's talk about the treatment which we can do for missing tooth or teeth. Here's some cases which you can relate with. Now, what can be the treatment to restore such situations? Let's see. There are four main types of dental bridges. First, traditional, second, cantilever, third, Maryland, and fourth, implant supported. Now let's talk about the traditional dental bridge. This is one of the most popular type of dental bridge and is fixed on two natural teeth on both sides of the gap created by your missing tooth. And here is cantilever dental bridge. For this type of dental bridge, you only need one natural tooth next to the missing tooth gap. And this is Maryland dental bridge. This dental bridge don't use the whole dental crowns of the abutment teeth. It is only bonded onto the backs of the abutment teeth. And the last one, implant supported dental bridge. It is considered the strongest and the most stable system in which one implant is surgically placed for every missing tooth, and these implants hold the bridge in position. So here's the case of 22 years old male patient which we have done in our clinic. We provided him traditional bridge system with zirconia crowns. The purpose behind providing him this bridge system was, first, it is one of the most popular and long-lasting bridge system, and second, we could have provided him other bridge system, but the patient was in real hurry. So with all terms and conditions, this was one of the best option. Hope this information is beneficial and useful for you all. Thank you.